Summers in Carencro are known for their warmth, sunshine, and humidity, the kind of weather that makes you grateful for a reliable air conditioner. But if your energy bills seem to climb every summer, your windows might be part of the problem. Older, inefficient windows can allow cool air to leak out and hot air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and longer. Fortunately, modern window replacement offers an effective solution for lowering energy costs and improving year-round comfort. Here's how upgrading your windows can help you save money during Carencro's hottest months. Stopping air leaks and drafts. One of the biggest culprits behind high energy bills is air leakage. Over time, window frames can warp, seals can wear out, and gaps can develop, especially in Louisiana's humid climate. These leaks allow hot outdoor air to infiltrate your home, raising indoor temperatures and making your air conditioning system work overtime. New energy-efficient windows are designed with tight seals and precision installation to eliminate those leaks. Double-pane glass, insulated frames, and advanced weather stripping all work together to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By keeping your cooled air inside, you'll reduce strain on your HVAC system and lower your monthly energy costs. Reflecting heat with advanced glass technology. Today's replacement windows are far more than just panes of glass. They're engineered with special coatings and gas fillings that enhance their thermal performance, a must for Carencro's long, hot summers. Modern designs often include low emissivity coatings, a nearly invisible metallic layer that reflects heat away while allowing natural light to enter. Argon gas insulation, a colorless, non-toxic gas inserted between glass panes to reduce heat transfer. Dual or triple pane construction, multiple glass layers add insulation, keeping interiors cooler. These technologies help block the sun's intense heat while maintaining clear views and bright interiors. The result? Your home stays comfortable without having to constantly adjust the thermostat. Reducing HVAC usage and extending system life. When your windows do a better job of insulating your home, your air conditioner doesn't have to run as often. This not only reduces energy consumption but also extends the lifespan of your HVAC system. Think of it as teamwork. New windows and your air conditioner working together to maintain comfort efficiently. Over time, that balance can lead to fewer repair calls, less frequent maintenance, and noticeable savings on energy bills, especially during peak summer months when cooling costs are at their highest. UV protection that keeps interiors cooler. In addition to lowering energy use, modern window replacements protect your home's interior from the harsh effects of sunlight. Ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause furniture, flooring, and curtains to fade while also adding extra heat to your rooms. Windows with UV blocking coatings reduce the amount of solar radiation entering your home, keeping your interiors cooler and protecting your investments. You'll enjoy bright natural light without the unwanted heat and glare that often accompany it. Durable frames for long-term efficiency. Louisiana's humidity and summer storms can be tough on older windows. Wood frames can swell or rot, and aluminum ones can corrode over time. Modern replacements use durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist moisture and maintain their insulation properties. These materials ensure long-term energy performance, helping you save year after year without the constant upkeep or deterioration issues of traditional windows. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best energy-efficient windows can underperform if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures each window is properly fitted, sealed, and aligned for maximum efficiency. Local Carencro installers understand the area's heat, humidity, and weather patterns, meaning they know exactly how to secure and insulate windows to withstand the region's summer conditions. Their expertise ensures your investment delivers the comfort and energy savings you expect. Final thoughts. In Carencro, where summer heat and humidity can put a strain on both your comfort and your budget, window replacement is a smart, long-term investment. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat gain, eliminate air leaks, and protect your home from UV rays, all while helping to lower monthly utility bills. With professional installation and modern materials, you'll enjoy cooler interiors, improved comfort, and savings that last for years to come. If your air conditioner seems to be working too hard or your summer energy bills keep climbing, it might be time to take a closer look at your windows. A professional window replacement can help you stay cool, comfortable, and cost-efficient all summer long.